Hands-on learning is super important at PCC, especially in construction, manufacturing, technology, and transportation, because you're going to go out into the real world to do things with your hands.
Well, what I like about this class is that you get to do a lot of hands-on and you really interact with the teacher and you understand more about the tools and what you're using them for.
So our program actually has 3 areas of focus: construction management, design build, and residential home building.
We train students in all the major welding processes and fabrication techniques so you can exit our program after you graduate and you can go to work for companies such as Vigor Marine, Diversified Marine, Gunderson Marine.
All of these programs are programs that are in high demand right now. There is an entire generation of tradespeople who are retiring, and there just aren't enough younger people who are trained and ready to fill those vacancies. Anyone who is interested here at PCC should attend an information session, and then afterwards, once you're an admitted student, I would say meet with your advisor as soon as you can. They will set expectations for you as far as what classes you'll be registering for. Our career services department as well, they can help with career exploration. If you're not sure whether one program or another is best for you, they can answer questions as far as wage outcomes and useful information to help you make the best decision. Some of the resources that are available to CMTT students will be our advising. Tutoring is also free for all of our students. Financial aid, institutional rights, the federal like FAFSA or the Oregon Promise, but also scholarships from the school like the Foundation Scholarship. We have other support programs to help first-gen students.
Try and make sure that I talk to every student, I learn every student's name, try and find out a little bit about them.
The teachers do help me a lot on actually understanding what I'm learning.
Here at PCC, you have those good role models. That's a big thing for us flight students.
And just give them some, direction that's going to help them.
They're super helpful, especially if you're one-on-one with a class.
Knowing kind of the tricks of the trade and the expected quality work, stuff like that.
We have financial aid help, so we offer a lot of different opportunities just outside of welding to help you succeed as a student.
I was able to work and take welding classes. I think that's a great advantage of our program.
So don't be shy, I promise. Ask the teacher in front of the class because I guarantee half of all the other students will not understand it either.
Coming into school, I feel like it has exceeded way above my expectations.
Meet with your advisor regularly. Do not be afraid to seek help anytime that you need it. And ask questions.